Let's do this question. The production of TV set in a factory increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. It produces 8,000 sets in 6th year. They are producing 8,000 sets of TV in the 6th year. Now, and 11,300 sets in 9th year. What we have to find? We have to find the production in the first year, that means A. Then second part, you have to find the production in the 8th year, T8, that is 8th year. And in the third part, we have to find 6 years production. Now let's see what is the difference in this question. See, 8,000 sets are produced in 6th year. Only in the 6th year we are talking. So, Tn term. 6th term is given to us 8,000. Now, 9th year is 11,300. That means 9th term is given to us 11,300. Now, we will be using the formula of Tn term. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Clear? Now we will substitute the value. 6th term is 8,000. That is n is 6. So 8,000 will be over here equals to A plus 6. N is 6 minus 1 into D. So 8,000 will be equal to A plus 5D. For a time being, this is equation number 1. Now 9th term is 11,300. So 11,300 will be over here. Then A is not given to us. N is 9. So 9 minus 1 into D. So 11,300 equals to A plus AD. This is equation number 2 for a time being. Now we will solve these two equations simultaneously to find out the value. So 11,300 equals to A plus AD. 8,000 equals to A plus 5D. So we'll subtract. On subtracting, sign will be changed. So this will become all negative. A will be cancelled now. So when you subtract it 11,300 with 8,000, this will be equal to 3,300 equals to 3D. Therefore, D will be equal to 3,300 over 3. So, D is coming out to be 1,100. Now, what we have to do? We have to substitute the value of D in the equation number 1 in order to find out the value of A. So, 8,000 equals to A plus 5 into, that is 5 into D. D is 1,100. So 8,000 equals to A plus 5,500. So 8,000 minus 5,500 will be equal to A. Therefore, A is coming out to be 2,500. This is your first term and first part of this question. Now, we have found it out. Next, we have to find the 8th year. That means 8th term we have to find out. So, T8, that is A plus N minus 1D. Now, we will substitute the value. What is A over here? 2,500 plus N is 8. So, 8 minus 1 and D is 1,100. So, this will be 2,500 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 multiplied with 1,100. So, 2,500 plus 7,700. When you add it, it will come out to be 10,200. So, 8th year the production is 10,200. So, this is the second part answer. Now, the third part is same. Now, we have to be very careful in the third part. It is not the 6th year. This is not 6th year. It's written 6 years. That means what is the production, total production after the 6 year? That means what we have to find out? Sum of the 6 year production we have to find out. So we will use this formula, sum. Sn is equal to Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus 1 n minus 1 into d. Now we will substitute the value here. N is what? 6. So 6 by 2. A we have calculated, it's 2500 plus 6 minus 1 D is 1100. Now we have to solve. You will cancel this. This will go 3 times. So here you will write 3 inside the bracket. It will be 5000 plus 5 into 1100. Now what you will do? First of all, you will write down like this, 5000 plus multiply it. This will be 5500. So you will add it. It will come out to be 10,500. Then you have to multiply it with 3. So the sum of the 6th term will come out to be, that is 31,500. So this is the answer of the question number 15. So we have tried some of the question of 10th B. So you practice the exercise.